Okay, children, welcome to our unit class. Maybe this is, yes, I think this is the last unit class that we are going to have. But, well, it is a wonderful opportunity to show Miss Patty that you learned a lot, okay? I'm going to be very, very sad. Maybe I will cry a lot because I am not going to see you during these vacations, but I hope you are going to be very happy with dad and mom. So let's see, what do we have here? Really, it is really hard for me, but let's continue. Today it's time for you to be my teacher. You know, you have learned many things, and now it's time to Miss Patty to be the student in Hardin 1, and you all are going to be my teachers. How are you going to tell me, and how are you going to teach me? Well, each of you at home is going to check or look for or choose a process and a product, and you're going to teach me how to do that product. Okay? So, for example, I taught you how to make a squishy balls, balances, tuna sandwich, ice cream, sand, and truffles. Now, you have to teach me. How are you going to teach me? Well, you have to take into account this. Let me move a little bit here. Okay. And you're going to tell me, well, Miss Patty, these are the materials I am going to use, or the ingredients, and these are the steps that you have to follow in order to make the product I am going to show you. And you will record a video explaining how you did that process once you finished, and you can upload in Seesaw. Let's see one example. How to make hot dogs. Amores, ustedes también tienen que hacer una presentación como las que yo les hice para poder explicar un proceso que ustedes van a escoger, el que ustedes quieran. Este es un ejemplo, y este ejemplo de hacer hot dogs ya no se puede utilizar, tampoco el de las trufas, ni ninguno de los procesos que nosotros les enseñamos durante esta unidad. Miren este ejemplo. ¿Cómo hacer perros calientes? Well, the ingredients are hot dog bun, sausage, cheese, potato chips, sauces like ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise. Which are the steps that you have to follow to prepare hot dogs? Step number 1, open the hot dog bun. Number 2, the sausage, if you would like to place the sausage inside the bun. Number 3, add the cheese to your hot dog. Smash the potatoes in the closed bag and you have to crush them in order to make crushed chips. Number 5, spread the chips on top of the cheese. And number 6, add the sauces you would like and your hot dog is ready to eat. Okay? Amores, fíjense que yo hice aquí unas diapositivas para enseñarles a ustedes cuál es el producto que yo voy a hacer. Hot dogs. ¿Cuáles son los ingredientes? ¿Y cuáles son los pasos que yo voy a hacer? Ustedes van a hacer lo mismo. Van a escribirme los ingredientes o materiales que ustedes necesiten. Van a escoger un producto primero, perdón. luego los materiales o los ingredientes y luego los pasos que tengo que seguir para poder hacer el producto que ustedes me van a enseñar. Después ustedes van a grabar un video mostrándome cómo tengo que hacerlo yo, ¿ok? Here you will have an example, a video, how to make pizza with Tula, with Telmo and Tula, okay? And that's it. This video is for next, you have as update until Tuesday to upload in CISO. So that means that you have Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. You have more than 4 days, 5, enough time for preparing a video and upload in CISO. Amores, tienen hasta el próximo martes para grabar el video y subirlo en CISO. Okay? I love you so much, people. Bye.